Hi friends, today we are going to do the unboxing for Mimitakara's most affordable BTE hearing aid. So let's see how it looks like and what is inside. So here is the hearing aid. This hearing aid is also sometimes called as metallic hearing aid. The nickname is given because of the color offered by the Mimitakara. So let's see inside. So inside we can see here we have the main hearing unit. We also provided with one battery for users and some ear tips and the user manual. This is a simple user manual, easy to understand for everyone. On the top it mentions what are the contents available in the box, how to connect, operations on and off, changing the ear tips and how to use, and some specification on the bottom, followed by some important point that we need to take care while using the hearing aid. So let's keep this aside and check out the main unit. Here you can see the serial number is mentioned for the easy identification when you go for the claim. So make sure that this is unharmed and this is kept safe during your user time. This is the main unit, how it looks like, and this is the wired receiver that sits inside your ear canal. Here is the volume rocker, which you can use to control the volume adjustment as per your requirement. Here is the battery compartment. These batteries can be used. This is speed 13 size that can be used. Once this battery exhausted, you can easily purchase from the market. And once you open the compartment, the hearing aid turns off, and when you close it back with the new battery, it starts working. So it's come with a very simple operations, and also the company provides you with 3 additional ear tips to suit all the ear canal shape. Based on your ear canal shape, you can select one and have a great experience. So that's all for the most affordable hearing aid offered by Mimitakara. For more details, you can also call us at 638-2255-145. Thank you.